Get your free copy of the ChatGPT audiobook today. Are you looking to explore the world of artificial intelligence? Do you want to learn more about the latest advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and chatbots? Look no further than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model trained by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It can understand and generate human-like text, answer questions, and even hold a conversation. With ChatGPT, you can explore a vast array of topics, from science and technology to literature and pop culture. And now, you can experience the full power of ChatGPT in audiobook form. That's right, you can listen to ChatGPT as it narrates its own story and shares its insights into the world of AI. But wait, there's more. For a limited time only, you can get a free copy of the ChatGPT audiobook. That's right, free, no strings attached. All you have to do is click the link in the description to access your copy. Simple as that. It's that easy. With your free copy of the ChatGPT audiobook, you'll be able to immerse yourself in the world of artificial intelligence like never before. You'll hear firsthand about the history of AI, the latest advancements, the capabilities of ChatGPT, and what the future holds. But don't wait too long. This offer won't last forever. So act now and get your free copy of the ChatGPT audiobook today. What are you waiting for? It's absolutely 100% free. Start using ChatGPT audiobook today. Again, the link is in the description below. Just click the link below. Remember, listening to an audiobook can save you time and effort. Instead of having to read through a lengthy text or script, you can simply listen to the audiobook and let it guide you through the content. This can be especially helpful if you're short on time or have trouble reading for extended periods. So, how can you get your hands on a free copy of a ChatGPT audiobook? Again, just click the link below and you'll be taken the download destination. It's simple.